Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel and this is the Moksha Tarot with your host Astha Sharma. This is going to be your April 3rd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the videos section and you will find your reading. If you are interested in rituals, let me tell you it's pink full moon, very powerful full moon, perfect time for manifesting your desires and removing blockages from your life. If you would like to know more about this channel and the various services, stay tuned till the end and I will reveal everything to you. So let's begin with your reading. Your cards are already out. Let's start with your career. You have got the Abyss card and the Five of Suns. Let me just tell you that first I feel that you're a very intuitive person, very wise. You have a lot of wisdom. You know what is right for you. You make wise decisions, but there are some times where you lack taking decision on time. You are a little indecisive, whether, for example, it comes to a change of job, whether it needs to, you need to add a certain skill, you need to change something, you need to make a decision. You procrastinate a lot. This can hamper your growth as well, or this can take away opportunities as well. So be very careful. Other than that, I also see that you're dealing with a lot of competition around you, rivalry around you. Maybe you're applying for a job, but there are a lot of other applicants applying for a promotion. A lot of people have eye on that seat. Or if you have a business of your own, a lot of other vendors are offering the same product or services. So I do see that there are some kind of rivalry, but you are shining bright. In the third week, you will see that no matter how tough the competition was, ultimately you win. You come out on top, you get that success, you get that job and promotion. So a lot of success and abundance is coming your way, and I also see a lot of bonus and profit and money is also coming in. You just have to make sure that you are not falling for something that you're not supposed to do, which is overweening pride, which is overconfidence. So please make sure when you get that success, when you get that abundance, when you get that money, I know we become proud. We are like, yay, we did it, and we were always the best, and you are nothing. Try to avoid that kind of attitude because it can attract a lot of evil eye as well. So stay grounded, stay humble, no matter how much money is coming your way and how much success is coming your way, right? You are, of course, going to win, but don't let it affect and get it to your head, okay? Let's talk about your personal life now, which also looks great, by the way. You've got the One of Spades and the Magician. So 1-1 is very significant for you. You could be seeing 1111 on the clock as well, which means that you are on the right path and everything that you're expecting and hoping for is coming your way. I see new beginnings in your love life as well. I do see you as a magician, creating your own life, setting your own boundaries, doing what you want to do in your love life. So anything that you want to manifest, anything that you're wishing for is 100% going to happen. When you have strong manifestation powers like the magician, when the magician comes in your reading, it also means that you have to be very careful of what you wish for, because you might attracting or manifesting something that you don't want, right? So always be positive, always think about the things that you want. Never for even a single minute think about a thing that you don't want. Otherwise, you will end up attracting something that you don't want. So be very careful, think positive, only think about the things that you want. I see new beginnings in your life. So if you're expecting a new relationship to begin, that's happening. If you want a reconciliation, that could happen. If you want marriage, that can happen. If you want babies, that can also happen. So anything that you wish for in your personal life is going to happen. A lot of hope is also coming back into your life. When you start seeing success happening, you also become more confident and more, you know, brave to dream, right? So dare to dream is what you have to follow this week, whether that's for your career or for that your love, because you're going to get everything that you wish for. You are the master creator of your life and you are making it happen, which is beautiful. I see this is overall a very, very good, very beautiful, the best week for you so far. So if you want to claim the positive vibes of this reading, do comment. I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that this positive energy reaches you faster. Also, if you resonated with this reading or If you think this is exactly what is happening in my life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Most importantly, it is the full moon. If you missed any ritual happening on the 12th, 13th and 14th is also a very important time for rituals. Do start your rituals now. I take rituals as well. So if you would like to book any ritual with me, whether that's a manifestation bay leaf ritual or a blockage removal ritual, please make your bookings right away. Also, apart from that, I have good news that I have started a spiritual counseling session as well, where you or any of your friend or family members need help. They want someone to talk to, they want a guidance in their life, they want to share their burdens and problems, and they don't have anyone they can trust and they want to maintain privacy. Then I will be that guide for you. I will be also taking help from the angels to guide you spiritually, what you need to do, what you need to remove, how you need to think around this time, and will give you remedies also if need be. So please book a spiritual counseling session. Also share it with your friends and family if you think they are in need of the same. Apart from that, I have launched various packages for people because I've noticed that you guys want specific packages, like you want everything about your career, you want to know everything about your love, right? And if you're single, you want to know when is it happening, when am I finding a partner, how is it going to be, and all those curiosities. So I have launched 4 packages of love, which is for people in relationship, situationship, or marriage. I have singles package separately, I have career package, and I have a friendship package as well, where you have just met someone and you want to know where is this going, right? So all these packages are available, and let me tell you, they're at a very cheap price and they include remedies as well. So you will get a remedy with each and every package. If I feel that yes, you require something that you need help for, and which you are and where you are stuck and you need help to remove that blockage, you will get a remedy as well with every package. So in order to make that booking, you can contact me on my email ID, which is given in my description box, or in on my DM as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. So my email ID is astha842@gmail.com, and my Instagram handle is the Moksha Tarot. You can DM me there as well to make any booking. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all my details daily basis over there, like what rituals, when the rituals, what the discounts, what are the new packages, everything on a daily basis. So you will be staying updated if you follow me there. Also, please do like, share and subscribe my channel here as well. Show some love, comment, and do share these details with your friends and family as well. Share this video so that they are also aware, and if they need help, they can take this spiritual counseling session. Very important. Okay, take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.